Hey everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens 4-box Ultimate Double Up. So 2 teams each for the break here. So we're going to do our Upper Deck Ultimate first, then we'll do our ITG Ultimate, which is actually a pretty decent product for some of the content that's never circulated there. So here we go. Do the Ultimate first, and then we'll make our way to ITG. So here we go. So let's start with a base card of Jonathan Quick, $4.99 for the Kings. This one is a Ultimate Rookie going on to the Penguins of Eric Hartzell. The Penguins. Next one going out to the Boston Bruins, Patrice Bergeron. Going out to Bill. Bergeron. And the next one is a Ultimate Rookie of Morgan Riley. Going out to Toronto. Going out to Mark Knoll. Riley. So on to our second Ultimate. Oh, this one's like stuck to the box there. So we start with a Marcel Dion base, $4.99 for the Kings. Marcel Dion. Next one is a Ultimate Rookie of Jonas Brodin, $4.99 for the Wild. Next one, the Ultimate Signatures from 11/12 of Brad Marchand, going out to Bill. Marchand. And an Ultimate Rookie of Jacob Trouba for the Winnipeg Jets. That's going out to Brian Monroe. Jacob Trouba. So box 1 of ITG Vault. Sorry, I'm just going to stand this one up, block a little bit of the light screen there. Okay, so here we go, guys. I'm just going to pull them up one by one, too. Okay, so first one is a All-Star Year triple. We got Nikolai Heavy-Buin, definitely Tampa Bay on that one. Mary Lemieux, Pittsburgh Penguins, and Owen Nolan with the San Jose Sharks. So that's going to be random between the Lightning, Penguins, and Sharks from All-Star Year. This is All-Star jersey, but definitely make out their team logos on this one, so nice and easy. So random for that. Grab the next one. And our next one, nice. I think this was an actual one-on-one when it was circulated. So we got a Johnny Busick Captains with the C 3-color patch going out to the Bruins, which is going out to Bill. Johnny Busick. And received the Ultimate Memorabilia 2nd edition. Wow, this is a really, really old one. So nice hit there, Bill. Johnny Busick. And final hit. So I'm just going to show you this empty box. We have a Sapphire version of Bill Mosienko going out to the Chicago Blackhawks, so I think they were allowed to use that logo back then. This might be a first edition, maybe, too. This is a Be a Player Ultimate Memorabilia series, so I think this was one of the short stinks when they did have the NHL license. Nice one there. Going up to Chicago, which is 41-44 Mike. Bill Mosienko. Nice little soft on the corner there. Nice. On to box number 2. just going to stand this one up right here. Let's pull out the card stuff. Oh, sick. I can see the top card already. Top one, we have a Ultimate Player Complete. So it's from the 2009 Expo year. So that's an actual rookie version one of John Tavares. Going out to the Islanders, which is Bill. Wow. Not focus camera. There we go. John Tavares, we got the emblem. So dual emblems, pants and sock. And then you got the glove right on the bottom there too. And it's John Tavares from his Oshawa Generals. Very nice hit there. Or is that London Knights? I think he played for only Oshawa though. Oh yeah, he had some London Knights pieces and Oshawa General pieces. So it is going out to the Islanders. Congrats, Bill. Very nice hit there. Our next one. Gloves are off. Going out to the Pittsburgh Penguins. Mario Lemieux. Mario. This must be one of the older ones too. Ultimate 5th edition. 5th edition, where they can use the logos. Going out to the Penguins. Penguins belongs to, oh, I said their name earlier. Going out to Sharky 91. And final hit. Empty box. Have yourself a Ultimate Cornerstones quad. We got Eddie Shore, Bobby Orr, Ray Bork, and Joe Thornton from Ultimate 4th edition, I think. And it is a ruby version. Nice hit there. Yeah, 4th edition. That's a nice hit there, and that's gone out to, surprise, surprise, Bill Wilson. So congrats, Bill. Absolutely crushed this break. Second team. So we do have one multi-team random to do, which is random between the Penguins, Lightning, and Sharks. So the Sharks belongs to J and C, Penguins is Sharky, and the Lightning belonging to XCon. Let's give it a sec here. Just quick set up a randomizer. So we're gonna just move you guys closer here. Okay, so random's going to be 9 times, so 5 and 4. So same as our team random. So we got the card listed in the order the card appears. So Lightning first, Penguin second, Sharks third. So, oh, come on, camera. Don't do that to me now. So we're going to random the list 9 times. Team on top after 9th time is going to receive the card, and each team is listed 3 times as per description. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And it's going out to the Tampa Bay Lightning. And you have randomized this list 9 times, so congratulations, Tampa Bay, which is going out to Jazz. So there we have it, guys. So we got more breaks tomorrow, and we'll probably post another one of these similar breaks up for next